If you've been craving to achieve success that you wanted, you need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this, because this video presentation could be your shortcut to massive success. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to show you the exact first step to have a successful life and how you can reap full benefits from it. You will discover the ways to finding your true purpose in life and apply them in your life to achieve your goals and massive success. You will find this to be a life-changing experience when you start to see the positive changes in your life and living life to your fullest potential. Dear friend, if you want to be successful, living life to your fullest potential, full of abundance, fulfillment, and joy, then what you're about to discover could be the one thing that you've been looking for the entire time. Here's why. Every major success begins with discovering your true life's purpose. Unfortunately, most people are drifting in life, not knowing what their true purpose is. Finding your true purpose in life is the crucial first step for success. But first, here's a shocking truth. The truth is, most people hate their life. In fact, most people just gave up on their dreams for the sake of living and chasing money. This is not the way successful people live their life. Here's what the Dalai Lama replied to when asked what surprised him about humanity the most. Man, because he sacrifices his health in order to make money. Then he sacrifices money to recuperate his health. Then he is so anxious about the future that he does not enjoy the present. The result is that he does not live in the present or the future. He lives as if he's never going to die, and then dies having never really lived, which is so true. Only if you lived blindly without figuring out why you're even here. Successful people know their purpose in life. They know their mission, and they are doing everything they can to achieve it. Successful people are happy, fulfilled, and living life with joy. Imagine getting up in the morning, feeling happy and fulfilled. Isn't this better than getting up feeling groggy with Monday blues? Well, today's your most important day, because I'm going to show you the secret to success of the world's top achievers so you can emulate their strategies to greatness. Just know that I've spent countless hours trying to crack the code for success, so rest assured that these tried and proven methods will be a real life changer. And here's your golden opportunity to study the secrets to achieve unimaginable success and personal greatness. And it all begins with discovering your true life's purpose. Today, I'm going to share with you the proven strategies that will prove you immense wealth, health, and success. This is your rare opportunity to finally uncover your higher purpose and drive what's hidden within you for years. Your frustration ends here. This might be just the game changer you've been looking for, considering that you will unleash your fullest potential and be your best self. Find your life's destiny and follow your dreams with absolute courage and certainty. Create massive impact on your life and the people around you. Get out of the not happy with your work cycle and find or even create your dream career filled with passion. Live a meaningful life and create a legacy for yourself. Become the top performer in your personal and professional life. Accomplish so much more than you ever thought possible. Have a more fulfilling life, knowing that you are progressing every day to be better. Be positive, creative, high energy, and motivated. Start seeing positive results and notice incredible changes when you apply what you're about to learn in purpose-driven life as fast as 30 days. Most important, you will shortcut your way to success. You'll start seeing positive results and notice incredible changes when you apply what you're about to learn from Purpose-Driven Life in less than 30 days. Introducing the Purpose-Driven Life, the key to living your life to the fullest potential. The Purpose-Driven Life is your go-to blueprint for achieving your goals and massive success. You will gain the exact practices of what highly successful people do to achieve greatness in their life. It's time to transform your life now. Here's what you'll get from Purpose-Driven Life. Why do people experience midlife crisis and how to get out of it? The mind spring cleaning activity to discover your life's true purpose. 4 powerful self-discovery questions to revealing your life's purpose. Do you keep on checking the clock while working? It's time to rethink your career. Why making mistakes is actually your first step towards massive success. Why you should surround yourself around like-minded people and how it will add more meaning to your life. 4 common issues preventing you from discovering your life's purpose. Why you shouldn't let other people set the purpose of your life and how to take back control and be the captain of your life. Why unrealistic dreams work wonders. How to conquer your dark side and use it to achieve unimaginable success. Happiness is a myth. Look for this instead. Why making money is not your sole purpose in life. This will give you ultimate clarity and clear you away from any distraction. Chapter 6. 4 exact steps to transform your life. The most powerful question you will ever ask yourself, revealed in Chapter 7, and so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. That's just scratching the surface. So here's the good news. You get purpose-driven life at a low one-time investment. You know that this blueprint is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now, but I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part, you don't have to waste time attending courses or listening to self-help gurus that promise no results. All you have to do from here onward is simply apply the method into your life in the next 30 days. These simple and result-oriented methods are easy to implement, and if this blueprint fails to deliver, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, I do need to remind you that you are potentially delaying your own destined journey for greatness. Fair enough? You have my word on it, but wait, there's more. If you get purpose-driven life right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of purpose-driven life. By simply breaking down one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. You will gain tremendous value from this and fast-track your success. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Purpose-Driven Life by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. Your happiness and life matters, so do whatever it takes to achieve a better future. So why wait? Click the button below right now before this offer is gone for good.